This is your laser. We already take the pictures. Automatically, and click the materials, then automatically it's finished. Import the blocks. We choose another blocks so you can see how it turning with different angles. 不是，全选，看一下属性。Projector properties. You see rotating angle, any degree, 180, 90 fixed, enable turnover. Any degrees is okay. So do not worry about it. Okay. You see, angles is turning any degrees. Okay. I have to put the files. Then import the files to the motion control software. You see, and open the projector. Open auto flash projector. You see, this is a projector. Projector line. You see, this cutting is precision, and the accuracy of the software is high precision. You see. Okay, we see how it cutting, the cutting result. This is your laser. 打开灯. This is your laser. You see this cutting result. Cutting result. We're cutting this 3 pieces for reference. You see, cutting precision is very good, and all the nesting cutting patterns is in laser area, so do not worry.